Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video. The Incredible Card Pulls here. And today we've got another pack opening. We have got 3 Rebel Clash packs to open, all unweighed with 10 cards in each. So sit back, relax, enjoy the video, and let's see if we get lucky. First pack. Will we be lucky? Not in that one. So I believe the trick is still 4 from the back in these as well. Okay, so we've got our energy. Uncommon. Oh, sorry, I'll name them. So we got Nugget, Bronzong, Skunk Tank, and then for our commons we have Rollycolly, Stunky, Clefairy, Voltorb, Nosepass. Our reverse holo we have Pidove. Oh, okay. Now regular rare Arcane. That is a sick artwork. That is super cool. Cool. So let's get on to the next pack. Will we be lucky? Yes, we will. What will be in this pack? So we go 4 from the back. There we were. So we have a Metal Energy. Then these are our uncommons. Electrode. Beware. And Palossand. Commons. Corsola. Binnacle. Scyther, Vullaby, Dreepy, reverse holo, that's quite cool, Bunnelby, and our rare. Ooh, that's cool. Holo rare Stonjourner. I'm gonna guess is how you say that. That's quite a cool card. So we have 1 pack left. Will we get lucky? No. It's alright, still a lot of cards to add to the collection. So you go 4 from the back. So, Water Energy. Oh. Heracross. Electrode. Beware. Darumaka. Hatina, Scyther, Nosepass, Wingull. Ooh, reverse holo Coalossal. That's a rare as well. Cool. And regular rare Whiscash. So that is all the packs we're doing for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Really hope you enjoyed the video. Hopefully next time we can get a little bit more lucky. So yes, thanks for watching the video. Subscribe, like, comment down below your favourite pull out of this video.